Hey, what's good, YouTube? Today we finally back, bro, with another video. You know what I'm saying? No, it's been a little minute. You know, hey, I've been working, you know, doing some stuff. Hey, but we back though. I got hella uploads for y'all, and you know, hey, it's just finna be lit, bro. I got some big news coming up for y'all too, man. So, hey, thank y'all for subscribing to me, bro. All 137 of y'all. You know what I'm saying? 137 people in the K-Freeze game right now. And I'm trying to touch. Hey, I'm just trying to get to my first 1K, bro. After I get my first 1K, hey, I know we gonna be straight. You know what I'm saying? But look, we got these Madden uploads coming up, but right now, we got this reaction video, hardest trucks in college football history. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I've been hearing about it, and I seen it, and I was like, damn, I can react to this with my subs, man. Hey, I feel like this video is gonna be lit, bro. So let's get it.
There he is. Good cut. He's got the first. Look out. Across midfield. Still on his feet. And he just tattooed Dexter Reed.
Watch this shot. This is unbelievable. This is a big, powerful man. That's insane.
He is over 200 pounds. He's known for his hard hitting, leading.
Boy, hit me off with the shoulder. Oh yeah, Fournette, you're right.
Oh,
Bang!
Oh, a crushing run. Fournette delivers a blow.
Let's get it, bro.
Perimeter, and watch what he does with the true freshman Deontay Anderson. It's safety. Welcome to the Magnolia Bowl.
Bang. Oh yeah. What you got?
Bortles out in the flat, another completion.
Oh my goodness.
Runs over a man.
He just ran that boy over with a bubble helmet.
He just got trucked.
He just got ran over. Hold on.
Fresh.
Nah, bro. In football, niggas with bubble helmets, man, like they just a different breed. Because they keep that same helmet and okay with it. It's seriously something wrong with them. Them bubble helmets is horrible, bro. And all the football players out there, y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. A speed helmet is way better than the bubble helmet. Bubble helmet hard. It feel like it ain't got no padding in it. That helmet just horrible. You just got ran over by a nigga with a bubble helmet. Niggas with bubble helmets don't care about life. That's facts. I'm just keep it real with you.
Freshman versus freshman. Listen.
Oh yeah, you right, Bobby. Bang!
That should be targeting on stand back for what just happened. I mean,
Diaz does.
Oh yeah.
And a nice run by Wilkins. He ran over the top and says first down. Right now, the more physical team is the rebel team.
We hand it off to Herschel. There's a hole. 5, 10, 12. He's running over. Herschel walking.
You're not tackling him.
Just after Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah, these guys.
Here's Geis from the 2 for LSU. Got 2 touchdowns today, 1 on the ground, 1 receiving.
Oh yeah.
And here he goes on the kick return.
Bam!
Oh, and he just slams the kicker.
Hey, that's what happens.
don't stand on the train tracks while the train's coming
and
through.
Niggas that think that guys just do that to players. We do that to a lot of niggas.
Leonard Fournette right now is envious of that hit by Darius Geis.
For the second consecutive year, Winston backfiring,
Bang.
complete. Here's O'Leary battling away. Powerful run for the young man from South Florida.
The shoulder, the big fella. Boom! Right over top of Travis.
Dobbs rolls that way. He's being pressured, throws back near side of screen to Jalen
got
Hurd.
him.
Hurd breaks a tackle. Hurd
down
down to the 10. Hurd makes a move to the 5. Runs over a Bulldog down to the 3-yard line.
Whoa!
Blitz.
Oh yeah.
They creased it. They creased it.
Yeah, they sure did.
Oh, man. Corners real quick. Darius Slay has to take on the big guy.
Here it is.
Double move on the outside, and instead, Matty Moore makes a good decision and dumps it
get
off
off
for
me.
Tyler.
He too little. He too little. Oh, get off me. He too little. Let's go. Let's go. Get loose. Get loose.
First and goal for Missouri.
Bam. He too little. Don't knock that.
That's what they do. That's their bread and butter. Cody's got to have a better game today. Sets up that screen on the hands of P-Line. Hits the edge. First down.
Get him off me.
They set up a screen, and One of the things that I made.
I mean, that wasn't no top.
Tebow.
You know. Oh yeah, Tebow.
You'll keep it. Tim on the run.
Get your ooh.
Head-on collision out to the 40.
You felt that one.
He's gone.
You felt that one.
There's no movement except.
Back to what I was saying. Niggas with bubble helmets don't care. They don't. Tebow had a bubble helmet doing this to niggas, bro. Y'all seen what Tebow did in college, so you know what type of nigga he was. Niggas with bubble helmets, bro.
Bam! Right there. That.
Norton. A little misdirection. There you go on the delay. Gallman up the middle. He's in.
Great play.
Oh!
Blitz comes off the edge. Luck steps up. Now he's going to run. He's got the first down and more. 30, 35, 40, 45 to midfield. Trying to get to the outside. Knocks people over as he does. He's got some blockers.
Nah, that's some top
fast. He gets out. He's big. Here comes Katuska to try to put a hit on him. And Luck just absorbs it. Knocks him down and then takes off again for the side.
Their heads are spinning right now.
And Molina pounds the middle.
Ooh.
Breaks a tackle to the.
He felt it. He felt it. Hold on, bro.
Here comes Katuska to try to put a hit on him.
We gotta run that back.
And Luck just absorbs it, knocks him down, and then takes off again for the side.
Their heads are spinning right now.
And Molina
Bam!
pounds the middle.
Oh my goodness.
Breaks a tackle
He
to
put him to sleep.
Back here.
Hey man, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And then we got some new uploads coming up, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited. I probably said this about 80,000 times, but look, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.